I bet most people holding the dYdX don't know this. You can convert it to USDT directly through DeFi without relying on a centralized exchange. I just completed the swap live in less than 3 minutes, and one part of the process surprised me. Let me show you exactly how it works before more people catch on. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so when next we release content, you would see them. Now the first step would be to go to either CoinMarketCap or etherscan.io. I prefer to use CoinMarketCap because this way I can search for the token by name. All you just have to do once you're in CoinMarketCap is to click on the search icon, and this will provide a space where you can type in your token. So we'll do dYdX. Now this is going to bring two different dYdX for you on CoinMarketCap. We would like to pick the one on ETH, the ETH dYdX. Now once you select that, allow the page to process a bit. Now once this is done, just scroll down a bit until where you can see the contract address exposed. Now copy out this contract address because it's going to come in handy later on in this video. Now once that is copied, just exit out of the browser and then go into your Trust wallet. Once you go to your Trust wallet, make sure that you're connected to the wallet that has the dYdX balance. And as you can see here, I have dYdX balance. I have about 10,761 dYdX, and this is approximately 1,309 USDT or USD. Now the next thing to do will be to click on the Discover. Once you click on the Discover, come to the search bar and then type in Valeris Network and click Enter. Give this a few seconds to process. Now once the page is loaded, there are two things you need to make sure that you have done. One is that you've connected your wallet to the platform, and as you can see here, I have connected my wallet to the platform. You can confirm this by clicking on the menu and click on wallet. Now here you can see my wallet is connected to the platform. Now if your wallet is not connected, please do well to click on the wallet icon if you're using a mobile device, the wallet icon at the top, and then follow the prompt. If you're using a desktop, you'll see the button clearly written connect wallet. Click on it and then follow the prompt. If you have any confusion, a link will be provided at the top of this video that leads you to another video that shows you how you can safely connect your wallet to Valeris Network. Once that is out of the way, make sure that you are connected to the Ethereum network. The network selector is just here beside the connect wallet icon, or sorry, the connect wallet button. Now click on it and then select Ethereum. On default this would be Ethereum, but if you come and you realize that you're not connected to Ethereum network, make sure you're connected to Ethereum network, because what we're doing is on the Ethereum network. Once that is out of the way, the next thing to do is to just click on your menu and then select swap. Once you select swap, before you start doing anything, I want you to first off, I have missed this step in other videos, I want you to first off click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, activate the expert mode. Once this mode is activated, just close out of these settings, and next thing to do will be to click on the Ethereum token here. Once you click on the Ethereum token, you search for dYdX. I will search for dYdX first, but I'm sure I will get no result because I have not imported the token yet. The next thing to do is just clean out the dYdX we typed in and then paste the contract address we copied from CoinMarketCap. Sorry, this is the wrong contract address. Let's go back to our browser and then copy this again. I don't know why I got that. Come back to Trust Wallet and then paste this. Once you paste it in, it will ask you to import. Click on import, give it a few seconds, and as you can see, our dYdX token has been completely imported. Now the next thing to do is to provide a quantity of the dYdX token that you want to swap to USDT. For this video, I will be swapping the entire dYdX token I have. So I click on max. This will bring out all my dYdX token. Then I click on swap and then click on confirm. Give this a few seconds to process. This usually doesn't take too much time. As you can see, we've completely swapped or successfully swapped our dYdX token to USDT. And if you close out of this, you'll see that we now have about 311 USDT token. Now we can exit out of the platform and then come back to our Trust Wallet home to confirm this transaction. Just give this a few seconds to process. My dYdX is still here. I think my wallet has not properly synced yet with the transaction that we done, or maybe the transaction has not completely recorded on the blockchain. Just give this a few seconds to process. I'm sure we would see the final result of our transaction as soon as possible. I don't want to cut or pause this video. I want the entire process to be recorded, so please just exercise a little patience. I know this is going to add a few seconds to the video, make it a bit longer, but I prefer you see the entire process than cutting and then coming back when my wallet properly syncs. So let's just give it a few seconds. Let me refresh the page, see if we will get updated. Nothing for now, just hold on and give it a few seconds. As you can see, our USDT balance has reflected and our transaction has recorded successfully. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon, so when next we release content, you would see them. If you have any questions, do well to drop them in the comment section. I'll be there to assist you with any confusions you have, and also like the video if it was helpful. Until next time.